neck, I rough round on the belt sander. Then I do a pretty rough and aggressive shaping with the with this shore form. After the shore form, I then go to a Kutzall rough rasp, and this brings me to what you see right here, a pretty accurate rounding of the neck. The final shaping is done with this neck sanding block, which is made from aluminum, machined to perfection. I use a pressure-sensitive 80 grit paper on the sanding side. It's a 1 1/4 inch radius, which will accommodate any 6-string neck or bass neck. As you can see, it's a loose fit, gives you plenty of margin to shape. Now, what I'm going to do to demonstrate, so you can see a little easier on the video, I'm going to draw some pencil lines in here, and you'll be able to see the progress we make as I use this thing. Yeah, you can see the imperfections, the low spots from the rasp. That's what we're going to clean up right now. So this tool does more than just sand. It does a final shaping. It'll remove any little dips and waves in your in the shaping that the rasp left. And I can push on one side or the other or down. It's as I say, it's a loose fit that gives me plenty of room to get the job done. We're getting there. See the progress? A little more. And there we have it. Maybe a little more over here. There we go. That's it. It's a great little tool, very accurate. It eliminates a lot of guesswork in those final stages.